will do the pendulum. One more time the pendulum. This time I want that you use a pendulum to reach a long step. Then going backward. One more time going forward with the pendulum helping you to reach, to do a long step. Again backward. And the circle too, helping you to find the extension of a long step. Let's do it backward with the next song. One more time forward. And one more time backward. Good. Do it by yourself as a way to warm up. I will combine, in a way like improvising and dancing, these ideas: the walking, the pendulum, and the circle, with some music.
Now when you are getting more familiar with doing the walking exercises often, try to relax your arms and your hands while you do it. So when you are walking, remember to keep the hands and the arms and the shoulders relaxed. So even though I do something with my leg and my foot, there are no tensions here. It's still relaxed. You go backward, and it's still relaxed.
Foot change in order to work the change of system. I will step with my left, feet together, left again. So I am changing weight to my right, left again. And then right, feet together, I change weight to my left, right again. Going backward, I will pause. Going forward again, left, feet together, change weight, left again. Right, feet together, change weight, right again. I will start going backward with my right. This is a follower. Typically, right, feet together, left, feet together, left, feet together. Again, forward to the leader, left, feet together, left again. Right, feet together, right again. And the forward. Backward, together without changing weight. Without changing weight. Without changing weight. Without changing weight. You keep your pause here and keep going with the same foot that was moving. Again, the leader. Left, feet together, left again. Right, feet together, right again. And going backward. Feet together, weight, keep going with the same foot, free of weight. Feet together, weight, keep going with the same foot, free of weight. Keep going with the same foot, free of weight. And one more time, going forward, left, feet together, again with the left. And then right, feet together, again with your right. For the follower, one more time, back, weight, step, weight, step, weight, step, and weight. I pass the torch to Miranda.
Yes, so for the followers, when we do this exercise, I like you to think about the moment where you have your feet together as a moment where the leader could make a pivot, could make you do a pivot. So I step back and I collect my feet, and in this moment a pivot could happen. I step back and I collect. So take care of that point where you are with your feet together and don't move through it too quickly. And you can see that my heel and my toe are in the floor, and for the free leg, I am using this idea of the inside edge. So I can relax the free leg's ankle can really relax here.
Good.